welcome to episode 113 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about basically doing a title loan. You getting a title loan on your car, taking out a lien on your car to pay off debt. I do not suggest this at all. Usually, when you guys are taking out loans and stuff on your car to pay off your debt, when you go into these smaller places, this is not maybe a credit union. We're not talking about those different things. When you go into a smaller places, that's probably doing payday loans and they do title loans up there, they're charging a lot of money. Sometimes they charge 25% a month. And yeah, think about it, that's 300% a year. Okay, that's a lot of money that you guys are going to spend. So imagine if you borrow $500, you're going to have to pay $125 in interest, and then on top of that, you guys still have to pay that $500 and plus any other additional fees that they're going to charge you. Now, I did do a title loan, but I think I was like 18. And let me tell you why. I got a tax refund. I ended up buying me a new vehicle in cash. Somebody was supposed to buy this vehicle from me. I think I paid like $500 for it. And I drove it for I paid $1,500 for it, and I drove it for a whole year. The car had problems, but they still gave me a loan out on it. It was a payday loan, and I understood that I wasn't going to be able to possibly sell this thing. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead. So I told the buyer they didn't buy it. I said, let me go ahead and just put a loan out on it. My friend, who I still talk to today, worked at a place. She kind of told me like how it was. I know she probably didn't expect me to actually do it, but once I got my new vehicle, I did not care about this vehicle and I need to get it out my name anyway. So I went and just did that, and I understood the repercussions of it. Like, okay, you're gonna come get the vehicle, but my thing was what you giving me a loan amount for is the same thing that she's supposed to pay for it. So the person I was supposed to purchase it. So I went ahead and did it. But I would never do that on my vehicle now. Like, girl, bye. I would never do that now. I was so young, I couldn't technically. The person ended up not buying anyway. The person just kept driving around in it. So I was like, let me just take a loan out on it. Like, come get it out the driveway anyway. I need to come get it. One day they actually ended up coming to get it, which was really, really good. So yeah, that's my story about it, but I would not suggest that now. I remember when they started stopping being able to do these type of title loans because it was getting out of hand, especially from where I was from. This is what people normally did. I did to really get rid of the vehicle, but it's not a good thing, especially when you have to pay this money back because you want to keep your vehicle. That's a lot of money that you guys are going to be paying. I would rather you go another option or just be without, honestly, because when you do some of these things I'm telling you guys to avoid, you're actually setting yourself back. And I don't want you guys to be setting yourself back. So please avoid this if you can. It's going to be very, very helpful if you can. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video.